prayer, it takes you making sure ukuthi uzenza i-sacrifice wena yokuthi I'm gonna go for therapy, I am gonna go to sit down with people, I'm gonna talk about this, I am going to make sure that I heal completely for the sake of my children. Because guys, unfortunately, if we don't break it, futhi to the next generation, nabantwana bethu will be crying the same.
Yeah, can I talk? Sorry to interrupt. What you just said, it's funny because now the longest relationship that I was in, it's 3 years, and in that relationship I stayed thinking that guy appreciates me, loves me, but only after I moved, and then that's where I realized it's actually no. And then after then, the most relationships that I will stay, it's maybe 1 year, 2 years, and then I started asking myself, is there anything wrong with me? Because of ngumuntu omnyama, they were like, hayi bakuloyile, ikamadoda angahlali, uhamba nethunzi elimnyama. Or I kept having that in my mind ukuthi okay, shukuthi mina nginesithunzi esimnyama, shukuthi nginomoya ohamba nami. Because I asked myself ukuthi I'm beautiful. What's going on with me? I'm singing. What's going on with me? What is it that most of the men that I get, I'll only find guys that will be like, oh, sibona umzimba wakho. I end up hating my body and hating myself, and I'm saying, actually, ngoba ngimubi, ngoba maybe I was gonna be in a relationship. But because of where I come from, I didn't understand myself until that guy yesterday said to me, when you would, because I said to myself the other day, I feel like I'm dating one guy in different bodies. Just that
ngisacela ungenelela lapho Nancy.
Okay.
That is why it becomes your responsibility. Unfortunately, what happened to you is not your fault, but healing becomes your responsibility. You know why? Mm-hmm. Because now it affects you. You have become that. So what that man said to you what Ayenzu feel like you are dating one guy because you are dating yourself. Like this, what you are is what you are attracting. Until you deal with yourself, you understand, and actually get healing and breaking this curse. And and you cannot get healing with distraction. Do you get what I'm saying? That's why abanye abantu will be like, you know what? After I have realized Guti, there is a problem with me, I'm caring so much, I need to go to solitude and just give myself some time. And abanye abantu bathi there's no guarantee that umuso hilile you'll get someone who's healed, but at least now your system will be able to reject what's not needed by a system yako, because at least you'll be operating from a healthy person. That's why I'm saying, Uguti, you will forever keep on attracting the very same thing because that's who you are at the moment until you deal with yourself.
Yes, that is why yesterday I stopped the relationship with this guy because I asked myself, Uguti, do you really want to go through this? Because now you start questioning yourself. And what that therapist guy said to me, Maranguza Atigimi, I didn't actually realize, but after he said, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. He said to me, when you're with these guys, how do you feel? Ngati, I have anxiety and about obsessed. And then at what else? Ngati, I want to be chosen because I've never been chosen. Because that's what I was asking myself. I was like, why don't these guys cheat? Bang bang choose a boy. And you find majority of them, they are in relationships. So I didn't understand because I thought Wuti, I was over that childhood trauma because I went to a therapist 2023, and then ngakhuluma naye ngamtshela ukuthi this is how I grew up, this is what happened, and then we had to end the session because ngisanda ngaphelela umsebenzi. Then now when that guy, he said it, and then that's when I was like realized ukuthi okay, what this guy said is actually true, because I thought I buried the past and then ngiyaqhubeka move on so that me and my mother, I can try to have a better relationship with my mom. But now realizing yesterday, Wuti, actually no, you need to work on yourself, because even Namanji, the guy asked me, Wuti, do you know yourself? I'm like, no. He asked me, Wuti, what do you want? And then I asked him, Wuti, in terms of being loved. He said, that's the problem. I do not know what love is. I cannot say. For me, Nangbona, all these Instagram and your TikTok and whatever, thing where guys will come give you flowers and everything, but emotionally, I do not know what love is. And do I need help? I do. That is why Sandela, the guy that I thought I was in a relationship with, because he said, let's go with the flow, let's not label it. But then again,
Oh
it
my
came back.
goodness, man.
With whose private parts, my sister? Your private parts.
Okay, now it goes back to me not knowing what love is, because in my head, I always thought Wuti, opening my legs is how a man will appreciate me. That's
With
what
whose
I
emotion,
thought.
Mdasekai?
Yeah, sorry?
With whose emotion?
That's the thing. Like I said earlier on, how I grew up, that's what I thought Wuti love is. The way I saw Umamami was treated, and me seeing everything and thinking, okay, this is love, and me not having even a relationship with my stepdad or even my dad. Even now, my dad he's around, but I'm not a relationship now. So I thought Wuti opening my legs is what will make a man stay. I always had that thing. But then after then, because even that guy said to me, what made you to give in to this guy? I need to know, he bought me flowers, something I never had.